take lose this thing that time? Who be the win?
Are they someone among the losers?
But you go shop for the money.
As supervisor,
Yeah, this thing did that time.
This is the part of this year.
Where come from?
Why you not put the tank first? Now the tank that they day up. Put the tank first. Hey, go. You not search them again.
How we say be that time?
Take a miss, you're not going to spoil now. I'm in my general. Drop down one. What will be this one?
Exhaust now.
How you take come out there? I never look you.
Guy, more call for help.
Better.
More call for help.
But that one will short the money if we go call somebody for help.
You no go repair and finish. I call socket, engineer socket. Hello? Hello, socket. Eh? You just pick up. Only you cut call.
I be the one.
No. I'll call him back. Shoot. Number one, I call now and I say switch off.
Why not call the other guy with the repair chef our side?
This is take away. Emma call take away. But socket number surprised me now.
Maybe that network.
Are you calling me help us?
Yeah, couple.
Hello? Take away. How far now? I get one work for you. One big gen. 3.8 kV. 3 point something sharp.
Within that range.
But meanwhile, I get one small gen where you give me small issue. I say, man, I'll find out from you. Just say, for example, now, if you say you mistakenly, by mistake, you lose the gen. Scatter. How you take the couple and back? What did the first put? The tank. No, if you, as in the tank, they one side, one other black something. Which are you? No, not be I better pass my neighbor. So? Now I better pass my neighbor, now you they do. Oh, don't worry, I'll call you back. Sure. They are better pass my neighbor.
You don't know work. You go no work pass him.
I'm telling you. I'll call this other guy.
When they dash us.
I will swear. I'll call this one.
Call that one.
We saw Pico. We saw go physics for us. No, you know parts well. Hello? Vessel? How far now? I be get one small, I get one work for you, but I say one gen when I want be by mistake scatter. You just take for example, say by mistake scatter gen. You walk office and back. You know the repair generator again? How you got to the shop? How you say no repair gen again?
Wala do. Go find person. What about Kevin?
Not true. Kevin, more call him first. More call him. The guy good now. They call fish my gen.
Okay.
More call him. Kevin, the number no dey go.
Mo just go shop.
No go.
Instead of all this calling.
Every to people dey explain give themselves, they no dey understand. Names when they call tank, engine plug, and no even know and you repair generator.
But they want you that time.
I'm at the life for my education.
Good vocation.
Mogo. Yari.
Look, Mr. Joe.
Oh, now it's Mr. Joe. It's no longer baby. Soon I'll be hearing Uncle Joe, Brother Joe. Come on. What's going on?
I'm sorry. I actually thought I could date a married man after what my ex did to me. But I just suddenly started feeling guilty, knowing that you're someone's husband.
I see. But when it comes to Don, you don't feel guilty, knowing he's someone's boyfriend. I guess you are trying to friend-zone me. But I'm sorry, I don't need your friendship. I think at this point, I'm done. Have a nice life.
Wow. That's so Kevin don't big rich, you not fit call here, call repair generator.
A big boy.
They tell me make a carry gen, go meet her for shop. I love. You be say na my gen, I for just bone her, find another person. Guy carry something, more go.
Wait first. Where the other big this thing when they where be like motor saw?
For you? Now the engine now.
They don't move am. Now you dey find other place.
Hey! Adota! Frayo!
Oh.
Frayo!
Who come?
Hey! Frayo!
Bless I go reach out so.
Frayo, the engine block that last so.
I go reach out so. Never cry. This better cry this now. Now Amima generator.
Frayo, na here. Ah!
Yeah.
Don, no matter the situation, packing and running away is not the way out. Stay back and fix it.
Priska, you like me at all so? I dey tell you say the person wey get that generator na very brutal army man o. Hey.
I know him now. How about, will he come here and shoot you? He won't now. The fact that he's an army officer doesn't make him less of a human being. He'll definitely see reasons with you.
Lie. Before army man will see reasons with you, he go don't beat you nearly enter coma.
You too lie. They are rational people.
The only day rational if they no wear that uniform. That uniform, he get your spirit.
No.
See, he better man go wrong. If I thought I go reason with her, na for phone and na for far distance.
Okay, so now where are you going to?
I never know. I go tell you. I'll call you, tell you.
Better let me know on time so that, I could come keep you company. Then we'll talk about how we can fix this problem.
Which company? I bet forget company. Two of us will keep each other company. Just help us raise multi hand because as we run, so we never even know where we run, Gabi.
Okay, no problem. I have an appointment now with Mr. Joe. Maybe after that I'll try to sort you guys out. So sorry.
Go hug me now.
Who they call you?
I hear Mama Joseph. Mama Sarah.
Don, you get one army officer when it say he give you. Okay. I go tell him. Oga officer, this one a matter big pass my mouth too. I for like make people there around me before I talk.
Madam, be free with me. Can say anything.
You sure say they safe?
Go ahead.
Well, message where they send person not they keep person. He say make I tell you say if they repair your generator, now he consistent the thing big pass am. He not fit do am well. Cause okay make it go call person when go fit do am well for you. Before he come back, he say they don't thief some parts come out.
What? Just like that? Is this my generator?
Nah, say tell me. All right, wait, make I call him back. Make I confirm where. Let's follow talk. Never to tell so. The line there switched off.
Why? He destroyed my generator, spoiled everything, scattered it, and it's nowhere to be found? Tell him to run. Tell him to run, but he cannot hide. I will sure fish him out. And when I do, he knows me and I know him really well. We have history. When you see him, tell him, if I take military action against you people and this compound, you will say army officers are wicked.
Okay, officer. You not go take any military action against us for you. I no go agree. Oh. The only thing I will just do for you, I go just point to give you in the month for them. Even if because of the shot for yes, so they owe me money, landlord don't give and quit notice.
Tell him to run far. I will still tell you again when you meet him, tell him to run very far. He should run and run, but he cannot hide. I will sure fish him out. And when I do, he will see me. Rubbish.
Oh boy. You don't clear say by now that mean I go to look for us.
And they feel say if you don't position men for the men outside though. Anywhere they see us now and are taking them. That make it good and maybe we just give men aside chance.
What you go do now?
If not be one thing. I for say make me a usual run go Lagos.
You coach it na me answer what I feel come.
What do you mean by I feel? Huh? I feel? Who you want to run lead the problem where they grab give?
But I no problem. Call and answer what we feel come.
We feel? No be I feel.
Yeah, call now. Call now. Put up on speaker.
Why?
Good day, madam.
Good day, Yoga.
Well done, ma.
Thank you.
Please, I am looking for Don.
Don?
Yes.
I'm not sure say they look for self evil day this time.
Really? When did he travel?
Travel, I be escape.
Escape? For what?
He and the friend they come from you, that idiot. They commit crime like they run now.
What did they do this time?
Now one army officer generator when he give them, now two of them settle down, set part of the generator.
What?
Shidi, what I try to tell you now be saying, me and Don for like use night bus enter Lagos.
My brother, I'm not in Lagos at the moment.
The kind yawa where we did now, we pass people when keep us, Now both army, police, vigilante, now they find us. When we reach, we go explain.
I see them with my crow eye when the thief part of the generator goes.
My goodness.
The army man don't come this compound 2 times with lorry load of army men. You don't see them. I don't even call landlord. Landlords make I give him quick notice.
But I thought he has been issued a quick notice.
Quick notice are for compound and landlord give him before. This time when I'm for the street, I don't even go tell the street people say anywhere when they see him, make them pursue far from this area.
I'm just short of words.
My brother, now I say I'm a meeting. I short of words.
Okay, Mom, I have to be on my way.
Okay, oh.
Thank
you.
No, for you, you should know that I'm a busy man. Here and there, business here and there.
Now, wow, what do we call do now? For not my vision go tipper or Tangoli trailer called Lagos this night too.
Next weekend, yeah, by next weekend, I should be around. Okay, now, my man.
You not far again, oh. But we are called dating that time. Eh? Me this army man no go hide person for guard room. Huh?
I get one solution.
Little bit solution. One make arrest.
That's very good. You see, this is what the police has been preaching. Don't take the laws into your hand. When you have issues, bring it to the police. It's our job. You know? So, who do you want to arrest and for what purpose?
We want to arrest ourselves.
You want to do what?
Officer, not shot you. Now how much you go take for the arrest?
Ah, I see. So you think the police station is some vacation resort, Abi? Where you just stroll in, book rooms for yourself, maybe your family members too, and then your girlfriends. Oh, that's what you're thinking, Abi?
Officer, calm down now. They say the police is our friend. Now make us come here.
I think there's a problem with your brains.
Better come in.